Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can view your Pinterest history. So first of all, open up Pinterest. I have already opened mine. And then you're just going to select this like arrow going downwards like so, and you can just click tune your home feed. Then it's going to sort of give you this like page. Your home feed is based on your board's topics, browsing history, and the creator profiles you follow. Edit your preferences to improve your feed. As you can see, this is the pin that I looked at today, and these are all the ones that I looked up yesterday. So it's going to show the history of your, well, it's going to show like what pins you see and like the history, I guess. So that's basically how you can see your Pinterest history. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!